Welcome dear students. Today we are going to study question number 8 from exercise 13.3 surface area and volumes. Question is water in canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes? If 8 centimeter of standing water is needed. Now look at this diagram. Consider this is a canal through which the water is moving out, right, to irrigate this land. Now here the dimensions of canals are given, that is its height is 1.5 meter and its width is 6 meter. Now here the length of the canal in which the water is there, that is not mentioned. For that speed is given. Here speed is given 10 km per hour. This speed is only to find how much length of the water will be there in this canal. That is length of canal which contains the water will be there. For that only this speed is given. So here it is given in kilometer per hour. So speed of water, we'll write here speed of water equals to 10 kilometer per hour, right? That is we can say 10 multiplied by 1000, that is 10,000 meter in 60 minutes, right? So here we want to find water discharge through canal in 30 minutes, So let's find this one. How much water will be discharged? What will be the length of the water in canal, right, in 30 minutes? That can be found by using 10,000 divided by 60 multiplied by 30. When we divide it by 60, we get in 1 minute, and when we multiply it by 30, then in 30 minutes. So it is equals to 5,000 meter. So here we can write the length of the canal will be 5,000 meter. Now this much volume, right, 5,000 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 6, this much volume of water will irrigate this land, and here the standing water is given 8 centimeter, right? So let the area of land irrigated, area of land irrigate be A, right? In 30 minutes A area will be irrigated. This is A, right? Now here also we have to find the volume of cuboid, and this is also volume of cuboid indirectly, right? So by condition what we can write? We can write volume of water discharge through canal in 30 minutes is equal to area of land multiplied by standing water, that is 8 upon 100. So we have to convert into meter, right? So this 8 upon 100 meter, this will be the standing water. So volume of water discharge through the canal, so we'll write the volume of canal here. So length into breadth into height, that is 500 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 1.5 equal to A multiplied by 8 upon 100. So this much will be the volume of water which will discharge through the canal in 30 minutes, right? So solving this, will transpose this one first. A is equal to, area is equal to 500 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 1.5, right, multiply by 100 upon 8, right? Solving this, we will get answer, that is 562,500 meter square, right? So we can say 5,62,500 meter square. This much will be the area of land irrigated. Now we have to find it in hectare. So we know that 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square, right? And therefore we will divide it by 10,000. So 5,62,500 divided by 10,000. So this 20 will get cancelled and we'll get 56.25 hectares, right? So this much land will be irrigated in 30 minutes. Understood? Thank you for watching.